Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring you tutorial on how to make a V-shaped dress with ruffles. A V-shaped dress with ruffles. So sit down, relax and watch this video to the end. Draft a basic gown as seen here. Mark a V-shaped neckline. Curve from under bust to breast point. Mark second style line from upper waist to lower hip as seen here. Come up by herself and connect to the CF as seen here. Cut it out. It will look like this. Slash and spread the down part as seen here. Pleat it back to the second style line as seen here. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel. Like as well as share my videos. Thank you. You'll be needing up to 4 yards of fabric depending on the person that is going to wear the dress. Tailor's chalk, staple, scissors, zip,